Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Leonardo AI and Dell E3. You see, Leonardo AI offers granular control, custom models and access for creative professionals, while Dell E3 excels at prompt adherence, photorealism and text in images, integrating seamlessly with ChatGPT for ease of use and reliable natural-looking results for general users and businesses. So, let's start with their strengths and what they are best for. We're going to be looking at Leonardo AI first. Leonardo's strengths, like we said earlier, is higher user control. You also have specialized tools like game assets and 3D textures. It also has style consistency, which is very important. It has API, custom models, and it gives you good value even if you're using the free plan. Now let's look at what it is best for. Leonardo AI is best for game developers, creative professionals needing specific styles, needing detailed asset creation, and if you need workflow integration, quickly go for Leonardo AI. Now let's look at Dell E3. The strengths of Dell E3 are superior prompt understanding of complex instructions. It gives you natural looking images, excellent text generation within images, photorealism, and it has an easy chat interface where we have ChatGPT and Copilot. Then let's look at what they are best for. Dell E3 is best for very quick, high quality visuals, art creatives, blog illustrations, and non-technical users. It has reliable general purpose image generation. Now, what are their key differences? When it comes to control and ease, Leonardo offers you deep control, while Dell E3 offers superior ease of use and interpretation. When it comes to technology, Leonardo leverages stable diffusion for fine-tuning, while Dell E3 uses its own advanced models integrated with GPT. Lastly, let's look at the output. Leonardo's output is tailored. Yes, it gives you tailored assets, while Dell E3 gives you polished, realistic scenes and clean graphics. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.